Welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get into the video. I'm using my spray bottle, the Olive Miracle Growth Oil, the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and Eco Gel. I'm beginning by spritzing my hair all over with my water mixture. Then I'm going to add that growth oil. And guys, I've been using this oil for a really long time. It's really good for my hair, but not so much for my skin. So when I choose to use this oil, I make sure I'm styling my hair out of my face. Because if I do not, I know that I will have a lot of extra breakouts. And I've been doing really good with my skincare routine, so I'm not trying to have that. I already get plenty of heat bumps in the summertime, so I don't need anything extra going on. Now I'm just picking up that curl enhancing smoothie and I'm pushing that product through my hair. And I'm going to begin twisting. When I get close to the end, I'll add my gel. Okay guys, so I'm all done with the twist and I'm just gonna let them sit overnight. And when I wake up in the morning, I'll probably blow dry them to finish drying them because I know my hair is still gonna be very damp in the morning. Typically I would let them air dry, but I don't have the time to do that. So yeah, I'm just going to use the blow dryer. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.
Them niggas don't know me. I'm on my grind and I'm authentic. No matter the situation, the world keeps on spinning. I'm your favorite rappers, while you emulating trappers, screaming.
Okay y'all, I'm gonna push this up into a hot puff so I can go ahead and get ready for work. Yeah, that is my go-to hot puff. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and hit that red button. Until next time, bye.
I got the word, these bitches tryna set me up. They tryna burn me down, but